Hello there. Welcome to Enaria. These following videos will focus exclusively on the technical aspects, how to register with Enaria and your liquidity provider or broker, where you can make instant withdrawals whenever you want. First off, to access this, you need a referral from someone. Someone must have invited you with a link to get here. You need to click on that link. If you don't have one, you'll find our referral link below this video so you can join us and enjoy all the benefits, okay? We're building an excellent community around this. We'll provide everything you need to follow Enaria daily. So I encourage you to click that link to get started. Once you're here, fill in all your details and click sign up. As you'll see, you'll need to verify your email. Go to your email where you'll find a message with a code, paste it here. As you can see, we've received the code perfectly and we copy and paste it into Enaria. Now let's scroll down to the bottom of the contract. We can click here on the right until we reach the end. We indicate that we agree to the terms. I encourage you to always read the terms for any investment or anything you do. We've read them carefully, we agree with them, and we'll continue. We proceed by accepting company policies. And the third and final one talks about risk. We all know that risk is assumed by the person who invests. No one at Enaria assumes it. You do? That must be clear to you. These are investments, and ultimately all investments carry risk. In this case, we leverage technology that significantly reduces risk, as you'll see. Great. Now we're in the application. They're implementing tons of tools and improvements because the truth is we're just at the beginning, and that's when you can really make a lot of money, okay? And I'll show you many opportunities to earn much more than those who join later, okay? With investments, the earlier you get in, the more of a pioneer you'll be, with more people under you, so to speak. Because there's also a very attractive compensation system that you can use if you want or not. There's a real product here. You'll earn from this real product. And besides, if you recommend this to others, like in any company, you'll receive benefits. Well, this is the application. I won't explain all parts, I'll just explain what you need to get started, okay? You should look through everything, but to get started, you'll first need to fill out some information in Enaria. Right now, there's no KYC, but there will be. Hey, by the time you watch this video, it might already exist, so fill in the KYC, okay? For that, this will be completely legal and regulated. So, well, we don't know. If you're watching this video at a later date, then you might have to do it. For now, fill in your details. Let's go here to Profile, and here you'll need to fill everything out. To do this, we'll click on Edit Info because clicking elsewhere doesn't do anything. We fill in the information. For the birth date, I recommend clicking on the calendar icon on the right as it'll be much easier. Sometimes it doesn't register correctly if you enter it directly, so let's go here. Click the arrow, find the year you were born, then the month. Once you have the month, click on the month name and then select the date, okay? Here we'll enter the phone number for your country. In our case, that's Spain. Here we're going to... Don't put Spain because, if you're Spanish, obviously, because if you put Spain, you won't... Well, you need to click on SP in Spain. And here enter your city, address, and postal code. Good. Once it's filled out, we save it, and that's done. How will you know if you've done it correctly? Well, it shows you here, okay? You have 100% of your profile completed. If you don't complete it, you won't be able to work with it. So, look at this carefully. There you have the wallet to deposit, withdraw, send, and exchange currencies, but you don't need it right now, okay? Let's directly connect Enaria with our broker. For now, you don't need this. Then you have the community here, which is where you share your referral link, okay? You can always share that. I encourage you to use this link, copy and paste it anywhere, save it, and share it with loved ones and people you want to earn like you. That's going to bring you many benefits, okay? It's always better to share your referral link so it benefits you too. And I'll explain later how good that compensation is.